in this 3A event last year for this final. Alejandro Montano, the Rio Rico started fourth cross country. He was fourth in the 4A final this event last year. Cruz Rodriguez, fifth for Empire last year at 3A. White Cap Evan Clausen was eighth at cross. Juan Wells was 10th at cross. He's from Mesa. Justin Cannada from Hopi. He was the Division 4 State Cross Country Champion from Hopi. He was second at Division 2A last year, and probably the poster boy for all of those on the cross country in Michigan the last couple of years. A couple more championships this season before we send off to Harvard. The 19th Southwest Regional Cross Champion, our cross country fourth record holder here in Arizona from Tuba City, Orman.
How about Cruz? Start. 30.
No, it needs not.
Excuse me.
What is that?
J-Lo.
Okay.
And by the way, the state champ of this event last year.
I am. Oh, I wasn't looking, that's why. I'm not even running yet. Yeah.
It's the wrong lap.
Awards to the boys P4 1600 meters. In fourth place, freshman Jeff Cannada of Arizona Lutheran. Third place, Alejandro Montano of Tuba City High School. Your winner is Orman of Horizon Honors. Senior, the winner, junior David Hoffman of AO 31, 36, he got Arizona Lutheran. North you know Billy on site, that's the young fellow, tall young fellow in the green with the great hair.
Are you timing it, Eddie? Huh? Yeah. Alright. Alejandro Montano. He's a sophomore. Okay, what is this? 60. 4-minute pace. Oh, dude, they're going fast.
That's Billy, and he's got company from Catalina's Alejandro Montano. How about a 60-second first lap?
Wow. Look at that already. I wonder what they have in.
I don't think they're coming back.
Zach passed like 8 people right there.
Oh yeah, we were excited. I mean,
At the cross country state champ and cross country state runner-up, these guys have been before.
Okay, what is this? When they get to the line.
Go, Billy!
63, alright. So they're at 203 now?
They picked it up.
They didn't settle down very much. The 61st lap is 62-70. Nearly 63 to either end. Again, we'll take 4 straight to the medal stand.
Let's go, Billy.
Go, Billy! Go, Billy!
65.
Not struggling down at all. Back here on state record pace. That was a 62. It's a long shot, but you might want to get on these guys and come off the third. They will all-time Arizona state record pace. They win 60, 62, 62. The state record is 406.
Get it, Billy. Go, Billy. Go, Billy. Go, Billy. What's that? 406. 406, dude.